Hello everyone and welcome again. Now after we have installed Flutter, our next step is to set up an editor where we can write Dart code and start building our Flutter apps. So to do that, click on this setup an editor. Now here you can see that Flutter is compatible with bunch of editors like Android Studio, IntelliJ, Visual Studio Code and more. So you can choose anyone you want, but I'll go with Android Studio because I have great experience with it. So we have to follow these steps to set up Android Studio to start using Flutter. And to do that, click on this link and this will open the Android Studio download page. So hit this button to download Android Studio into your machine and install Android Studio and follow the setup wizard and hit OK to everything it asks. Now after that done, open Android Studio and follow the steps mentioned here. So click on this configure and then this plugin and here type Flutter. Now over here choose this one showing flutter.dev over here and hit install to install this plugin and accept this. Now it's asking that the Flutter is dependent on Dart plugin, so hit yes. This will download the Flutter and Dart plugin together. Now after that done, it will ask to restart IDE, so click on this restart IDE and restart it now. Now after that done, you can see that here it is showing start a new Flutter project along with start a new Android Studio project. So click on this start a new Flutter project and choose Flutter application, hit next. Now here I will leave the name as it is. Now here you can see that it is pointing to the path where we placed our Flutter SDK folder, and if it is not showing this then click on this button and head over to that path, and this is the location where our project will be stored. So I will leave it to as it is. So you can choose where you want to store. So hit next. Now hit finish. Now Android Studio will create a demo project which is a simple counter app having a floating button widget and some text at the center which just shows the number of times that button has been clicked. So here we have, this is the Dart code of the counter app, and now we have successfully set up Android Studio to start using Flutter. The only remaining step is to deploy our Flutter app to Android and iOS simulator. So we will do that in the next video. So that's much for this video. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel if you are new to it. And thanks for watching.